Hi everyone, welcome to itman channel. I'm Young. I'm excited to have you with me about text radar. This kind of topic I often say about something new, something is under my radar, and the topic all about the web development. And today is about Tailwind CSS version 4 under beta 1. And let's take a look about this one. It's just really on Friday, 22 of November. And something I found fantastic because this build for performance is one rise faster, so with version 3. And she said first configuration. This is something I found is interesting also because you don't need to define the JavaScript configuration anymore. It's just plain JavaScript, and it's also designed for modern web. You can use all the features you want right now, like container query, star style, or pop over. And if you want to take a look, just click on the link and then you go to documentation. They list all the uses. You can use the with or position or CLI. And now let me show you the demo. The demo today I'm gonna have you two repository, and this already here. So I'm gonna show you easily. The first one, the task version 1 beta. On this repo, I had installed the Tailwind CSS version 4 because this repo don't have any Tailwind yet. So the way it's installed quite easy. So I just install two package, Tailwind version 4 beta 2 and another Vis plugin. And next step, I create the styling file and then import Tailwind. So after this moment, you are needs one more step to ready to use. That's the import Tailwind CSS under the plugin. So this here is under Tailwind CSS slash vid. So this is a plugin, and then that's it. You are ready to use. And how about the version 3? If you had already version 3, what is the uses? The uses for version 3, you can apply by just run this Tailwind CSS slash apply at next. And under this tool, you're gonna see the difference. It will migrate all the configuration for you. So this is my result. So I had the React Router version 7. And on this repo, what I have right now is Tailwind version 3. So you see that we still have a tailwind.config.ts file. And on the BR, when I run the cosmos, at this moment now, you want to see that at all. So I just run this and migrate all the big configuration. Because this all detached this for me what I have on the Tailwind config file. So this is the file is removed. And under this one, you had content, you had content. So within CSS first configuration, it will migrate to the new syntax. So you don't use add Tailwind. It's instead you use add import Tailwind CSS. And the theme here is migrate from this config file and also the base. So they just migrate something from version 3 for you. And the usage is still the same with each of the new process. You need to have one dependence that is this plugin. Another one is Tailwind version 4. So it's upright from version 3 to version 4. And this don't need to the config here. So you need to import. Then instead you add a position plugin. In version 4, you can just planning with plugin. The next thing I want to show you are the React Router version 7. And this one is had a fantastic new UI for the homepage. And if you don't know what is this one, I'm gonna show you one more small thing. This is if you go to rr7.dev, it will show all the thing about the merge between from version 2 and React Router version 6 is merged together, become React Router 7 version 7. So this all the thing, all the chain, and you can see all the original plot on the detail how it's happened. And for me, when it's released recently, I found it's quite fantastic and want to give it a try. And this non-breaking chain, if you are the React Router version 6 user, you can easily migrate to version 7. Keep all the same way you already do. and you had the, because it's designed for working with React 19, so it's easy to build up all the amazing feature from React 19. You gonna have that also as well. And the most important, data type safety. So this, it bothered me a lot when you're working on web application, and if you're missing something like the rules is wrong, you get a 404 page. That's not a good for end user at all. And from the home page, you had a different way to go. This one, you can say, okay, I'm a new user. It had different uses. Or you are from version 6, you got up to 7, or you want to adopt. This is the way, like, you want the new feature, like remix the way as the framework. So I click on style new, and you can go here, and it had all the way you say how to using. And also on the left hand side, you're gonna see the new UI is explain all the thing you want, like how to do something, how to do the U fetching, how to do the, or just migrate to single page application, especially if you are from React app user. Like the same case, if you want to build something already have and you migrate, so this is the way you can migrate all the things at status page. And they have different uses. If you go to the library, you're gonna go to here, and it just install. You create the this application into the package, then just install that one. Or you go at the framework way, so you can use this one, like this is the package to create, so you can just follow along, and then it's create all the thing, and you can navigate how it's working. All right, let's see the demo. So you already see what I saw already, but let's look again. So this repo, and this create the framework weight. So you have see this one, like all the detail here. I still keep the default readme, and you can understand how it should look like. So for this way, you can define this at the timeless if you want, and they have feature like server-side rendering, hot tree loss module, data fetching, TypeScript, all the things you can read from here. But the way you do, just clone this repo, install at use any tool like npm or burn or pnpm, depending what is your style. But for me here, I really enjoy burn because it's fast. So I just use this one, and then you have all the thing. Also on this repo, you're gonna see the Docker deployment. They have 3 Docker file for different package manager, depending on what you want. And at the server side, you, because this is a full application, so you can deploy to Amazon ECS or Google Cloud Run or anything you accept yourself. That's interesting also. And if you want, you can do it yourself, which means when you do deploy this one, all the view here, this is client side and server side, you have 2 packages separately here. And for me, I deploy this to Vercel because I want to test in something. So this is just simple page. And what I change here, because I want testing this easily. So what I did, just go to React Router config th file and change from SSL to 4, so become a single by application. And now I just use this. I press DOS, so this open editor on browser by on the repo, and this here I'm gonna go over this the idea of this package. So on this repo here, I had 2 things. If you can go back here at the server side rendering, or what I have here, I just config to be at the client side. And on this, I have 1 file that by up here. This is styling. So this first from version 3 didn't have any new thing, but the home here, there's a root. So when you define the roots here, you go to the root, and all the typing here will be shown on the welcome page. And now this here welcome page just have all the reference and this styling. And the my entry is the root.th file. So you can define at this index And and notice this one at suppose to the type safety way. So whenever you run this one, it's going to generate the type check and all the thing. And if you want interest about this one, I will suggest go to the documentation and you're gonna see the type say that one session about type safety. If you go at the library way, and then you get just okay how you can do this one. All right, let's talk about the start. So it's under beta right now. So you're gonna shoot a try on your side process and consider it carefully if you want to use person because it maybe has some minor issue. But for me, the feature already there, and this one is by on the start router. It's another alternative solution for React Rooster. And this thing is the API forms. Think of the server side. So you need to have breathe something here, and this is the bundling. So this framework tanstack-start it combines three things together. One is router, another is server side setup API, and this is bundling. So that build everything in a standard here. And there's something you need to take account of this one. Like they explain all the thing when you can use what like you can expectation about this one. And for me, the most important when I go to click on the start overview, the start overview here, what it is, and you should check what it might not you want to use it or not. The first thing here is if you want to build like one status, is that not your goal? So it is not the tool for you. Or you want to have a server side render side with zero JavaScript or minimum class side interactive, that's not the tool for you. Maybe you can do something actual or something similar. And if you're looking for something like React Server Component First Framework, it's not yet this. And I would suggest if you go to syntax FM and you got understand his intention, why he built this framework, all his decision, this is very good talk. And I think I will spend like time on this one to understand all the issue, all the why he designed, like how you can migrate from create to task, all the thing. And that's normal because this guy create a lot of fantastic guy. If you're working with JavaScript, especially in React ecosystem, you already know his library like React Query, React Table, and for this one, the easy way you just go to Vista. With Vista here, you can choose the way you create projects, either like npm or pnpm or yarn, depending on what is the way you do, or you can go with at a manual step, just install the package, configure this plugin, create a file, bunch of file. But for me, to save time, just go with the scarf of your project with the just CLI. Okay, cool. Let's look on the demo and how it look like when you create this process as scarf from CLI. And as you know, I already have this repo. So this is already deployed. It's quite simple right now. Click on the link, you're going to see, okay, this just had the base and this home page. And when click on about, it's navigate to about. And at normal, they had very fantastic dev tool. And you're going to see all the things when I change and all the detail about transition or the rules or the option. And you're gonna see this easily here with this UI. And how about the repo? On this repo, so I just create right away and just install with PMA. So all the tool I recently I don't enjoy easily and pretty like I used to do because it's too many things to set up and it's quite slow. So I prefer to use PMA. So on this repo, I just create, then install PME and some GitHub action. And so the package is the entry point on this repo. When you run install, then the devs will open the browser on the bot 3001 and you can view and review. So after this output, it's just client side. You can deploy to version at you want. So this is the dependence as I shared with you earlier on. So this built by on React Router and React Dev Tool. So this is the what is on UI. So this is plugin, and then on the Vite config file. So that start just this plugin. So it's wrapped on with React. So you can install it manual, and the entry here is under the main file. So on the main file, you define all the rules, all the thing you want. So this is generate so not gain. So depend on what you have, it will generate this file. So you're gonna see this one. So whenever you work on the file, it will generate this. So of course you don't want to modify anything on this file. And you have the root and like what I had on the layout at the you so you can see on the top you had menu, home, and about, and the outlets we can render, and on the footer you see the dev tool and position it on the bottom right. And now you had two page, and they just define, so you define what is the path, what is UL on this one, then it will render. For me it's quite new, but it's a lot of documents here. You just follow the along with the guy, how it's create, how it's fetching, how I set up type safety, how navigate, and you do how do streaming or not streaming, all the things I had on the readme. Thank you, everyone. I know this is quite fast and a lot of things here. I didn't go to detail yet to the the deep writing, but I love when we had a lot of interesting coming up recently. I hope you find something new and interesting to you. If you like, please comment and let me know. See you next time. Bye bye.